Hello and welcome to week 3, lesson 1. I can't believe it is week 3. Time flies when you're in quarantine. Today we are on topic 7, lesson 1, and we're just working with page 343 today. As always, let's start off with a little quiz. The end of the Cenozoic era is also known as A, the age of the reptiles, B, the age of the dinosaurs, C, the age of humans, and D, the age of plants. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to knock off letter A because the age of reptiles was during the Mesozoic era. That's the era before the Cenozoic. Correct answer is C, the age of humans. Humans started evolving towards the end of the Cenozoic era. Just a friendly reminder, you have the Cenozoic timeline due on Schoology. Okay, we're moving on to topic 7 now, and it might seem a little random. So I apologize if it feels like I'm jumping all over the place. It's just the way that the book is. So we are leaving history of the earth behind and we are moving on to the next topic. I'm going to start with a silly question, and that is, what do you already know about the sun? So you might say, well, I know that plants make their own food from the sun, that they need the sun to live. You might say, I know it's bright, it gives off light, it can hurt our eyes if we don't protect our eyes properly. Some of you might say, it feels really good to lay in the sun, I like to go on the beach, I like to be in the sun, it feels warm and it feels comforting. And then maybe some of you with really sensitive skin may say, oh, well, I really have to wear sunscreen because it could really damage my skin. But have you ever thought how the sun's energy travels to Earth? Probably not, and that's going to be our goal of our lesson, how the sun's energy travels to where we are on this planet. And spoiler alert, it travels as electromagnetic radiation. What is that? Don't worry, I'm going to explain what electromagnetic radiation is. I really like saying that word, electromagnetic. All right, so what is it? It's a form of energy that can move through space. Alrighty. It is made up of both an electrical field and a magnetic field, hence the name electromagnetic. And it actually is like a spectrum of all different types of electromagnetic radiation, and you use this more in your daily life than you think about. So here is a GIF of the electromagnetic radiation spectrum. And as you can see, there's some words that you might recognize. You've got microwave. Do you use a microwave? I've been using a microwave a lot lately. Infrared, visible, that stands for visible light. That's all the colors that we can see. Ultraviolet. Have you ever heard of that before? X-rays, same waves that they use when you go to the doctor and you need to take an image of your bone or inside your body. And I don't know if you're like into like the sci-fi, gamma rays, maybe you've heard that before. So you might not know what electromagnetic radiation is, but you're using it currently and you don't even know about it, which is kind of cool. All right, let's go back to our goal for the day, how the sun's waves, because remember, we're talking about how the sun's energy travels to Earth. It's going to travel in waves, not like beach waves. This is a different type of waves. How are they going to exactly reach Earth? So one way they're going to reach Earth is through visible light. And just like the name says, that is all of the colors that you can see, like colors of the rainbow. Another way that the sun's waves will reach Earth is through infrared radiation, and that allows us to feel the temperature of Earth. So that is, those are the waves that will make our thermometer increase on a hot day, or will let us feel the heat on our bodies as we lay on the beach. And the final wave is called ultraviolet light, and these are the waves that we need to protect our body against because they can actually damage our skin, damage our eyesight, and even damage our DNA, resulting in skin cancer. I'm going to introduce you to a vocabulary word that we're going to use a lot tomorrow, the atmosphere. You've probably heard that word a bunch of times before, but I'm not sure if you know exactly what it means in more of a scientific sense. So, atmosphere is layer of gases that surround the Earth, and we're going to learn all about the different types of layers tomorrow. I just want you to get that word inside of your head. Let's end the lesson today with 2 review questions. The first one is, what belongs in the electromagnetic radiation spectrum? Remember, that is the spectrum that includes the Earth's energy waves. Is it A, visible light, B, microwaves, C, X-rays, or D, all of the above? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause the video if you need time. All right, and the answer is all of the above. Remember, there's lots of stuff in the electro radiation spectrum. We are concerned about visible light, we are concerned about infrared light, and we are concerned about ultraviolet light. I had to quiz myself a little bit because we're talking about the sun's energy in this lesson. All right, last question of the day. What type of the sun's waves can damage our skin and eyes? Is it visible light? Is it infrared light? Is it microwaves? Is it D, ultraviolet light? Is there anything that you can knock off right off the bat? Think about it. Anything I didn't really talk about for sun? All right, give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is ultraviolet light. A, visible light is what we can see, and B, infrared light is what we can feel as temperature. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to hear from you soon.